Hey there and welcome to Matt's Garage and another Hyundai Santa Fe repair video. Okay, so cleaning out your throttle body, if it looks like that, you want to get a specific spray. There's often coatings and sensors in here and stuff, and if you just use like brake clean or something, it could mess everything up. Also, I have seen intakes where they have it written right in here that you don't use any cleaners on them. Specifically, Fords have that. This one doesn't have anything like that. It just looks like bare aluminum, so we're good. This has a throttle motor. It's like drive-by-wire, the gas pedal. And I don't know if you can turn those over. It feels to me like there's gears in there, so I don't think I can actuate that. So what I did is I jacked up the right side of the vehicle so that as I sprayed this cleaner in there and wipe it, all the debris is going to run out and down there. So you can actually put a rag below here to catch all that. And then we're just going to start with, we'll just spray a little bit in there so everything gets loosened up. You can see how it's starting to run out a little. Actually, this slopes back, so you really got to jack it up. I don't even have it as far as I would like, but as long as a bunch of it doesn't run in there, you can actually, this is safe to get down the intake. And basically all we're doing is getting the grime out of here so it doesn't clog up the throttle plate and prevent it from actuating properly. So don't spray a bunch in case it is running back in, and then it's going to wash all that carbon back further in there. Get in here and just put a dab in there and then do a lot of wiping and get the bulk of it out. And then what you can't get, what's in the crevices in the corner, that you can really rinse it out now like this with a lot of cleaner. So there we go, we definitely got a lot of grime out of there. So what I like to do is I'll give it a real good thorough rinse at the end here, and I won't bother wiping it again because I don't want any lint or residue from my rag or my shop towel. So that's why I do it that way. Just let it evaporate out now. Start your engine up as normal. Everything should be good. So thanks a lot for watching Matt's Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe and have yourself a great day.